श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः.
ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமக. ஆறாவதன் டூஸ் அப்கமிங் யாத்ராஸ். டிசம்பர் 28 நடுநாடு யாத்ரா திருக்கோவிலூர் ஆதி திருவரங்கம் திருவகீந்திரபுரம் 2800 per head. டிசம்பர் 30 வைகுண்ட ஏகாதசி ஸ்பெஷல் ஒன் டே யாத்ரா 11 திவ்ய தேசம் இன் அண்ட் அரவுண்ட் சீர்காழி டெம்பிள்ஸ். திருவிக்கிர பெருமாள் திருவடி சேவா only once in a year 3400 per head. January 4 காஞ்சிபுரம் 15 திவ்ய தேசம்ஸ் will be covered in a single day from Chennai to Chennai 2000 per head. அகோபிலம் நவநரசிம்மர் யாத்ரா February 7 and 8 and Ontimita Ramar Seva Saturday Sunday program per head 7000 including jeep cost. February 24 to March 3 Navadwaraka Yatra from Jaipur to Ahmedabad covering various places of Navadwaraka Dwarkadish temples. In this, 2 Jyotirlingams Somnath and Nageshwar have been added. February 28 to March 2 Pandinadu Yatra. This was a special yatra on occasion of Kulasekara Alvatri Nakshatram. Will be having Darshat Mannar Koil and 18 Dividesams around Pandinadu. Per head 14,600. March 10 Mantralayam one day yatra from Chennai. Raghavendra Temple, Snana Tungabhadra, Bichala, Appanna House, Panchamukhi Anjaneyar, including non-AC sleeper class train tickets. Per head 3,200. March 24 to 29 Ayodhya Gaya Shraddham Yatra. Ayodhya, Naimisaranyam, Guptarghat, Nandigram, Prayagraj, Triveni Sangam, Kasi, Gaya, Buddha Gaya. Per head 23,300. March 28 and 29 a special Melkot Vairamudi Seva Yatra once in a year it is conducted. Srirangapatna, Doddamalur, Maddur, Tondanur, Satyakalam, Shivanasamudram, Keerthi Narayana Perumal, Talakat. Per head 9,400. April 7 to 10 Kerala Dividesa Yatra 4 days. 13 Dividesams has been included covering Guruvayur and Thiruvanchikalam. Per head 14,500. Muktinath Yatra May 4 to 13 10 days. Naimisaranyam, Ayodhya, Nandigram, Guptarghat, Pokhara, Muktinath, Kathmandu, Janakpur, Dhanusdham, Sitamarhi, Changanarayan, Jalnarayan, Pasupatinath, Gupteshwar Cave, Varahi Temple, Binduvasini Temple, including Scorpio from Pokhara to Jamsam and vice versa. Per head 43,300. May 19 to 25 Sri Lanka Ramayana Yatra 7 days program. Colombo, Vibhishana Temple, Ratnapura, Sanjeevani Parvat, Katarkama, Ravana Falls, Sita Agni Pravesh, Sita Liya, Ashokavana, Ramboda Hanuman Temple, Ravana Chariot Place, Kanda Buddhi Temple, Sita Kotuva, Mamangeshwar, Trikonishwaram, 7 Hot Springs, Sigriya Rock, excluding flight ticket per head 50,000. In all yatras, our kitchen team will be accompanied to provide sattvic food without onion and garlic, AC bus for transportation, AC twin sharing rooms. Yatrikas who are interested, kindly book in advance. Thank you. Srimati Ramanujaya Namaga.